Bingo Cash applies coin multipliers through specific in-game features. So if your balance is not increasing as expected, the first step is to check whether the multiplier is actually active before starting another game. By the end, you'll know where to check the multiplier, how to confirm whether a game qualifies, and what to do if the bonus still does not appear. First, open Bingo Cash and check the feature that provided the multiplier. Do not assume that a multiplier shown in one part of the app automatically applies to every game or reward. The exact conditions shown on the multiplier screen determine when it can be used. Before playing another round, look for the multiplier indicator and confirm that it is active. If the app shows a specific requirement, complete that requirement exactly as displayed. A bonus tied to a particular game, event, or promotion may not apply to unrelated gameplay. Next, check whether Bingo Cash has an available update. Open the App Store or Google Play, search for Bingo Cash, and install the update if the store provides one. Bingo Cash recommends keeping the game updated because updates can include improvements and new features. Or bingocash.com. https support bingocash.com HC and US articles. After updating, completely close Bingo Cash and reopen it. Return to the multiplier feature and check whether the bonus is displayed correctly. Your internet connection can also affect information being loaded from the game. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, reopen Bingo Cash, and check the multiplier again. If the multiplier appears after changing networks, the original connection may have prevented the bonus information from loading correctly. Also check that you are signed into the correct Bingo Cash account. Bingo Cash provides an account sign-in process using your registered phone number and a verification code. Port bingocash.com. bingocash.com HC and US articles. 4,428 billion. 319,197,909. Avoid uninstalling the app as your first fix. If you eventually reinstall Bingo Cash, make sure your account is registered first. Bingo Cash says registered users can reinstall the game and recover their account information, while unregistered progress may not be recoverable. Lords. bingocash.com. Support bingocash.com HC and US articles 4,461 billion 375,281. What happens if the multiplier still does not apply after checking its conditions, updating the app, restarting it, and confirming your account? Contact Bingo Cash support. Include a screenshot showing the multiplier and another showing the result where the bonus was missing. The key checks are simple. Verify the multiplier conditions. Update Bingo Cash, restart the app, confirm your account, and document the missing bonus before contacting support. Your next step is to screenshot the multiplier before starting another qualifying game, so you have clear evidence if the bonus fails to apply again. If this fixed the coin multiplier problem, like the video and subscribe for more Bingo Cash fixes.